We do things safe in here. You know that. Let the old geezer show you, eh, buddy? Hold on. Might as well sell my liver. What's going on, guys? Nero over at Automotive. Sorry we missed last week's vlog, but we got a crazy one for you today. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. We got a lot of stuff for you guys to see. Let's get it. The Huracan's the same too. It's weird. Sound like you're breaking the car, but you're not. I quit. Drop my tools. I'm out of here.
It reminds me of whenever when I was backing up like a rusted out fucking parts car and I was and it started making those noises. I was like,
crunch.
Pull my ass out of there.
The side weld sills just crunch up and just.
Rockers are gone, bro.
Yeah. Fucking karate chop. No, it is very safe. Come on, we do things safe in here. You know that. Two floating cars. Oh fuck, yeah, I didn't even realize. Floating GT3 RS. Stupid battery. Jeez.
How long was it sitting for it to even die?
Bro, I've been driven it for a month and a half.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
But like that's why we usually start it like every couple days.
Usually when I was here, you would start it just.
Yeah, but it's been like 2+ weeks since we started it. And it's already been sitting, barely driving, barely charging the battery.
True.
And then we didn't have the trickle charger plugged in because they didn't give it to me when I bought the car. I still have to go pick it up. So I'm actually gonna go pick it up today.
Is it a Porsche one?
It's a Porsche one. Oh, is there? Where's the? Oh, he put in the cup holder. He said.
Oh, word.
Yeah. The key is going off. Shit. Alarm. Kill switch. See? Click it twice?
Yeah.
Okay, Gucci. Oh! Again? Yeah, now you're good. You clicked it twice before or no?
Yeah, but I accidentally pressed it again.
Oh.
Bro.
Yo, this happened after.
It's not our kill switch.
Obviously it's not.
Haha. It's a different style. I think it triggered the alarm when we opened the door without unarming it. Yeah, you have to actually do it before you open the door. That's why. All right. Let's get these wheels off, yeah. You wanna bring me some gloves, Harv? Triple gloss black on these wheels. They have a machine face from factory, so we're gonna get rid of that. He wants to go with the all black look. These wheels on the driver's side, as you can see, got demolished. I think they hit a garage like wall or something like that, but it's all scraped. Yeah, both of them. So it's all scraped, you can see face. So we're gonna refinish it, and then he's like, might as well do them gloss black at one shot. So I think it'll look a lot better gloss black, to be honest.
Is there anything else with this car?
That's it, just that. Car already got PPF, but he has to fix some other stuff where he removed some PPF panels, I think the rear bumper, quarter, and some other stuff. So we're gonna redo that for him. He got it done at the dealer before, but like you can see, like it's peeling in a lot of places.
Yeah, the dealer never does it like quite right.
No, it's not that they don't do it quite right. Dealers have so many different people that come in there that do PPF. So if they're qualified or not qualified, sometimes you get this, but it's a very hard diffuser to do. So stuff like that does happen. But you're just supposed to trim it back after your inspection for the first week. First 2 weeks, you come in, you inspect, you trim any corners, or you can replace some panels. Then you won't have it lift as much, right? But if you leave it for too long, dirt gets underneath, then you gotta replace the whole panel. Ceramics, if you accidentally drop the wheel on the rotor, might as well sell my liver. Because they're like 10K, 8 to 10K, some of them are more, each rotor. They're carbon ceramics. So they can break very, very easily. So that's what you gotta be stupid stupid careful. I'm gonna bust a couple sweat just taking it off. It's not about how hard it is to take off because the weight, it's just the stress. So we have these studs that we put in to help it guide off the actual vehicle, and then we take it off. Careful, but. Oh yeah, buddy. Definitely bust a sweat there. Cause see how I had the bolts out? If I took all the bolts out and hit it, because obviously it's all like, the customer didn't service this. Usually like every couple kilometers you service here, you put some anti-seize so that the wheel doesn't get stuck the way it was, because I have to like hit it to take it off. But if it was properly maintained, the second I take the last bolt off, this wheel would just kind of fall. Yeah. And if it falls on here, you're screwed. At least it's on the guide still, and I pull it straight off. But these are all the tools, like you have to buy all this. This shit's not cheap. I know. Right, like my toolbox, probably like 130K in just tools. Specialty tools, like even when I was at Honda, you need certain tools. And when I was working at a shop where you just work on everything, I had to buy Volkswagen tools, German tools, yeah, certain, because bro, there's like so many different things that you need just to do a single brake job, you know, like that you would never use on like a Honda. Yeah. So I have so many specialty tools in my box.
Working on cars with those kind of lug nuts is honestly the worst.
Oh, I friggin' hate it.
Especially when you're not doing it like this.
You can convert it.
Doing it like just with like a floor jack, and you have to like prop it up on your leg, and then
you can convert it. You can put a stud kit in it if you really want.
If I
doesn't everyone say German cars are the hardest to work on?
It's not that it's not necessarily the hardest.
But
it's just
like Japanese.
It's just annoying. It's just annoying, bro. Like you could put so many like simpler bolts and like keep things the same size or whatever it is, but they'll do like 3 different friggin' like torques for some reason on one part for why. Like it doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't make sense. German engineers like, let's just make it fucking hard for these guys.
But now look at these new cars. They're all learning from German engineers.
Yeah.
So, like, for example, the Toyota Supra.
Yeah, I know. So we got a GR 86 here. It's a 2023 model. The car actually came to us because it was covered in rock chips. Customer didn't. Yeah, the customer didn't get PPF. She wasn't informed, or like obviously she didn't have the knowledge about what PPF would do to save her paint, and she's obviously super anal about keeping this car clean. So if she had known, she definitely would have spent the money because she's spending a lot of money now. So the front end was demolished with rock chips, sand pitting everywhere. She actually hated the way it looked, so she got the hood touched up somewhere else, that she got it painted. The job was horrible. There was fish eyes everywhere.
It's already been painted, and it's only a 2023?
Yeah, it only has like, I think 15,000 kilometers. So she got the hood painted. Didn't realize how bad the bumper was until I showed her. She's like, oh wow, like she actually could see it now because I'm explaining to her what it looked like, right? On metal, you actually see metal, but this was like plastic, so it just kind of was like indented. So when she did it, she only did the hood. The hood looked like crap when it was done. There was fish eyes everywhere, dust everywhere. You could see the pigtails of the sanding marks. So I pointed that out, and she's like, listen, we want to get this done properly. I want to PPF it, so let's respray the whole front end. So I got the full front end resprayed, got everything filled, all the rock chips. Now it's super smooth. Honestly feels better than the OEM paint. There was a couple nibs that we saw, so we just wet sanded it. We're gonna polish the whole car today, get the paint looking perfect. And then we're going to do not only just front end, we convinced her to do the entire car. So because she financed it, she owns the car. She's not leasing it. She's like, let's spend the money because she wants to keep this for a very long time. And she got rear-ended as well, where it lightly scratched the back bumper. But if she had PPF, it would have saved it, most likely. So yeah. So now we're going to, again, we're going to PPF the entire car. We're going to ceramic coat it. I think we're tinting it, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, this is what we always tell our customers. When you get a new car, first things first, if you know you want your car to look pristine all the time, make sure you protect it, spend the money just like you would have spent it on modifications or rims or whatever it is. Always do the protection side first, and then the modifications obviously after, right? But yeah, so now she's spending quite a bit of money to fix it, but she loves the car, so we're gonna get it looking right. Of course, you know, we don't mess around when we do stuff here, so. That fucking part cost $400, bro.
What?
That little plastic thing. I got the invoice, it said $401. It's like, wait, what?
That thing?
Yeah. The little thing, the little
Yeah.
freaking plastic oil catcher. See, people don't understand how much it costs to like run a shop, bro. It's actually fucked up.
Little parts are costing you an arm and a leg.
Oh, everything. Like, bro, I mean, back in the days, that's half of someone's friggin' rent.
Yeah.
Like, bro, for a small piece, bro, the plastic's like this big, tiny. For the tire machine, it exploded the other day. Javier thought a friggin' bomb went off. Almost lost a limb, eh? A little tip and trick.
What?
This video's
I gave a little tip and trick. You know what tip and trick is?
Yeah, give the viewers a little.
Yeah, you missed. You missed again, eh? Let the old geezer show you, eh, buddy? Hold on. So, let's get it this side. Oh. You know what? You gotta readjust it. You gotta readjust it. Hold on. Yeah, I just need to readjust it. You had it a little too far. Yeah. These are the rears, right?
Yeah.
All right, guys, so I have a bunch of this satin black wrap here. Customer came in, obviously car was hit on the back. The insurance company said they'll approve rewrapping the back tailgate and the rear bumper. Car came in, obviously the customer's had the wrap on for 2-3 years now. He doesn't really maintain it as well as he should because he's a doctor, so he's very, very busy and completely understandable. So the satin black kind of faded. So if we were to rewrap the back, tailgate and the trunk, it would look a lot more newer than the rest of the car. So if this was just insurance painting a car, you would blend into certain panels where it would kind of match, but you can't blend with a wrap. So I called the insurance company up, I said, listen, it's not gonna match. We need to rewrap the entire car. And honestly, insurance companies are usually the worst. And they don't, it's hard to get stuff approved, but she approved it right away. So we obviously started unwrapping the car, and now we're going to actually change up the whole entire color. So stay tuned for that.
What color?
Nah, I'm not gonna tell you that. You guys will see later on in this video or the next video once the car is complete, but we're gonna do something super cool. We're gonna do matching trim as well. So we're gonna take off all this gloss black that we wrapped. It was chrome before, so we're gonna do whatever color we're choosing is gonna be on the body and the trims. So it's gonna look super cool, it's gonna look different. We're gonna take off all the tinted headlights, we're gonna redo them.
Anything with the wheels?
The wheels have been powder coated gloss black, but there's some that are damaged, so I'm gonna redo them, so it's just super fresh again. The other thing, obviously, remember I was telling you guys with PPF, if you have PPF, you wouldn't have all, see how like it looks all faded? That's all the rocks and all sand pitting that damaged that fog light. So for now, we're just gonna put tinted PPF on it, make it look a little bit better than that. I wish we could do all these trims color match as well, but because it's textured, it's very, very hard to paint and very costly if you were to try to do it. So those are gonna stay black, but if we were to go with that whole theme of having one color, it would look sick if the whole lower trim was the same color. All right, guys, so we have this Acura TL here. It is an older model TL. Obviously, I'm a Honda guy. I love my Hondas, I love my Acuras. So this was one car that, growing up was one of our favorite cars growing up. Obviously, the newer version to it with the manual, it was a 6-speed. Like the 08 models was like one of my favorite TLs. These ones are obviously really nice. The customer is actually one of our really good partners, Go Logistics. It's the CEO, the owner of Go Logistics. He owns this. He obviously has some crazy cars, I'm sure. but this was something that was sentimental to him that he wanted to restore. So we got the car a couple months back. Obviously super hard to source parts for this car. You can't even find really OEM parts. I think it's 03 if I'm not mistaken, 03, 04. So it's very hard to find parts for this. So we found what we could. We replaced all the lights. As you can see, it's all brand new. Fog lights and headlights, tail lights. We did some other panels I forgot that we had to source from like the States that we got. Replaced quarter panels. There was a lot of rust on this car. Those dings, dents, door handles that were broken that couldn't even work. One of them, we tried sourcing out everywhere, we couldn't find it. So instead of leaving it chrome, we painted them to go with the full color match theme, so it looks nicer, all one color. And now we're doing the wheels. We're doing it in the silver with it's a hyper silver finish with a diamond blade, diamond cut face. So that is getting done right now. We have brand new tires as well going on it. Once that's done, we'll give it a full detail. And this car will be—
It's just brand new now.
Yeah, it's like we fully repainted the entire car. Restored it back to, you know, what it was pretty much from brand new. Once we detail, it'll look even better. And then I think they're gonna do interior next, so we're just gonna wait and see what he wants to do once he sees the car the way it is. But huge transformation of what it was from before. Know that we do collision work. We got a bunch of cars that came in for the past couple of days. Some have already gone to our body shop location, but we still have some new ones here. That 3 Series hit a curb. The full wheel on the passenger side is actually crooked. You can kind of see it from here. When you drive, you can feel the hop as you're driving. So that's damaged. Lower lip is damaged. I think it went over a curb. That Jetta, I don't know if you've seen that one before, but that one front end, obviously bumpers. This 3 Series here, front end hit, hood, fender, headlight, bumper, modules, some brackets.
Do these have the expensive lights in it, or?
Yeah, this has the LCI headlights. So I think they're like 35 Gs, I think, for the headlight. So that's that one there. We have this F-150, rear end hit. Parts are on order. We're just waiting for the stuff to come in. Rear bumper, quarter panel, sensors, some brackets, tow hitch, all that stuff on this one. Oh, TSX came in yesterday. Customer got rear-ended, smashed the bumper, smashed the tailgate there, so you can see this all popping off. But come take a look here. This is where majority of the damage happened. She got rear-ended and then hit the car in front of her. Yeah. So as you're driving, it's touching the wheel. You can't, it's obviously you can't drive it. It's not drivable. But buckle the front end, buckle that. Cars are right off. It's 09. They're not going to fix this. So this will go bye-bye to the auction. There's that one there. The Benz was a flood. I don't know if you've seen that one.
Oh yeah,
yeah. Yeah, that was from the last vlog. So that's it's a flood. Got written off. That car is going. We have parts we're still waiting for that Hyundai. That Accord there, rear end damage. And that BMW is still waiting for parts.
Yeah.
BMW, step up, you know. Waiting for all these parts. Cars sitting, we don't make money when cars sit, you know. And then we have a brand new 2025 Honda Civic Si. You know, again, I'm a Honda guy.
Oh.
Yeah, very, very nice. White with the red interior, manual. So we're doing 50% on the windshield and 15% all the way around. Get rid of this fishbowl and give it that panda look, you know? So stay tuned for that one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed all that content. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for next week. Let's get it.